filming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Continue on A1 for 1.5 miles.
Hang on.
Do you want me to restart?
No, you're fine. I can edit like that. I'll leave it in. It might make it funny. Move out it.
Clearly can't see we're in convoy.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another video. We are currently on our way to Santa Pod Raceway to experience the wonderful festival that is BugJam34. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I've posted about 1,000 times about this in the past week. So, me and the missus, the sister and the brother-in-law, the mother and the father, might not be able to see them.
Nope.
Nope. And 3 T4s full of shit, heading down to Santa Pod. Pick you back up when we get there. We have arrived at Santa Pod Raceway, haven't we, Sarah?
We have.
It's been a heck of a drive. Mum and Dad's T4, we think has gone into limp mode. There's some sort of issue with the turbo, but we got here. We'll sort that out after the weekend, because as T4 owners, that's what we do. Oh, it's warm. It's very warm. So we're fully set up now. So let me show you the setup that we've got. Excuse the no shirt, I will keep it above the head, but it is hot. So let me show you the setup. So here we've got outdoor area, our chairs and table, our incredible quick erect awning from Kayam. We've got the stove that we use, obviously there's gas, our little settee, Sarah's clothes, another clothes hanger, some more food, the incredible table that I built, which is super useful, fridge, electrics, swivel base, and obviously the bed settee and all of his cupboards. Loves it. Right, I will keep recording as and when I remember to record, because it's going to be a fun weekend. It's only Thursday. We're here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So keep with me. I'll show you the goings on of BugJam34. And let's see what the rest of the weekend holds. Friday day. Just having a wander down to the Run What You Brung. Everybody's starting to get in now. The place is starting to fill up.
Friday.
Sister. Just gonna have a walk down the stalls and then watch some of these fast-ass cars that people bring. And also, every now and again, somebody's car blows up, which is not funny to them, but it is good to watch. So, pick it up there.
Oh, they are.
Road engine.
Right now, we've got the jet bus called Oklahoma Willie, which is a VW bus with a fucking jet engine. Got a drag car now, it's loud, top fuel dragster. See how quick this is. So we've watched Run What You Brung. We've had a look around the stalls and the car boot and auto jumble area, which is cool because there's loads of old shit. So if you need anything for your vans, it will probably be here. I'm not sure how well the rest of this video is going to go, because it's a drinky weekend for me. This is one of the events that we don't bring our children to, so stick with me and we'll see how we get on. We are headed back to camp now Sarah Bruce is in tow.
Hi.
We are just walking past the Magic Teapot, which is this thing. This thing is tea, coffee and music. So inside they have a piano, an organ, they have a guitar, an accordion, a trumpet, all sorts of musical instruments so people can just go in, have some tea, have some coffee and play some music. And it's cute as hell, isn't it? Isn't it, Sarah? Cute as hell?
Cute as hell.
Cute as hell, yeah. But we've got a pole for his flag that we've had for 3 years now, something like that. We've had a flag. So we've got a pole, we're going to go put that up and have a chill for an hour before we go back and watch jet cars.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock jet cars, if we make it, but half of the team might be asleep, so we'll see. I might take you for a wander. Let's go for a walk and see what vehicles we can see. That's a beautiful one. That pulled up soon. That's a high top T4. Very nice. What else? Oh, hang on. We've got somebody here who's dressed incredibly well. Look at this shell suit. Look at this.
Hey!
How's it going, man? You enjoying your weekend?
Yeah, you good?
Yeah, man. Nice to see you.
I'll see you in the tent later.
He'll see me in the tent later. He will. He will. You've got to love that about BugJam. The amount of different people you meet from different walks of life, and everybody accepts everybody for what they are. It's fantastic. I've lost track of what I was actually doing. I think this is a really nice. That's a lovely bus. These are our neighbours. This is our party shelter sister.
Drunk sister.
Mrs. Drunk sister, apparently. Oh, it's been a good day so far. It's been a very good day. Oh, look at this. Old Farts Dub Club. This is a beautiful T5. Ooh. That's lovely. Some awesome buses around. But we'll do show and shine tomorrow. Show you all those. There's a Rust and Rat show. There's a show and shine. So we'll do all that tomorrow. For now, I'm going to relax for a little bit. Have a drink. And then pick you back up soon. In a bit. We're out again. It is the evening time now. We've just watched a fantastic rock band. Load of rock covers, classic rock covers, and they were absolutely shit hot. We're going to buy a hoodie for Simon because he's a bit nippy and didn't bring any hoodies with him. I am sporting the Bloodline green hoodie this evening. So we're going to go to either Buy and Find or Fantastic to get him a hoodie. And then we'll go back for some more of the evening entertainment, of which the headliner is Professor Green this evening. Pretty good.
Wowzer.
Saturday afternoon now. Are we afternoon?
We're afternoon.
We spent the morning getting showered. I've got a sunburned face because it's really red. And we're going to the show and shine. Look at some sexy ass vans and sexy ass Beetles. And I'll show you all of those there as well. We watched Oklahoma Willie this morning as well. The jet bus again. Twigs T4 in there. Seen him? Well, yeah, let's go and look at some sexy vans. Sarah's just made a good point. For those of you who have children or really enjoy these horrible fairground rides, there is a fair at Santa Pod Raceway for BugJam. All sorts of horrible, spinny, manky rides that I would never go on, but some people like it. And it's loud, full of music. Innit? Not for me.
Excellent, that's better. Now then, you look at the Christmas tree. You see that it's pre-staged. The stage bulbs are lit as well. Watch the lights and go on the green. Here we go, and they're up and running. Stay on the left-hand side of the track. Stay on the left-hand side. Well, one's gone to the right completely, but stay on the left-hand side, because when they come back down, left-hand side.
So we have just spent some time at the live action arena, which is incredible. So that's where you've got like, what's he called? Terry Grant?
Yeah.
Terry Grant, who's like the #1 stunt driver in the world. There's Lee Bowden, Lee something, who's a ridiculously talented motorcycle stunt rider, and monster trucks as well. So some really cool stuff that goes on there. What do we have here? Little buggers. This is for all the kids. And there's BMX track, there's toys, there's entertainers, there's a musical section to it. And it's awesome for the kids. And we got this. Some inflatables as well. This side is sort of on the entrance side, and this is BugJam. And in here you've got music and food and drink and all sorts. There's a sand pit, there's like a bug beach, fantastic. And every year they have this incredible spray paint artist who does a different spray job every single year. And he sort of does it over the 4 days. And it gradually gets finished and finished and finished. So this is it, obviously halfway through. I'll show you it finished. Good evening. So it's Saturday evening, and whether you know this or not, BugJam do a theme for fancy dress on the Saturday nights. So this year it is NHS Heroes because of the amazing work that they've done over the past 20 months now. So we've all got different outfits on. Sarah, turn round. Nurses outfits, NHS capes. I've got scrubs on and a cape and everything like that. So we're all getting sorted for the Saturday night. that's our weekend at BugJam34. It's been incredible. It's been such a good weekend. It's been so nice to get back into this sort of a situation. Absolutely loved every single second of it. We're gonna head home now. We've got a long drive. We're gonna nip for a coffee and then drive all the way back to West Yorkshire. So if you stuck with us all the way through this, thank you, because I've not edited it yet, but I'm assuming it will be a long one. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it at all, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for all the rest of the videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.